Co-authoring. Whether you're co-authoring documents in OneDrive or in Teams and Sharepoint, it's an incredibly powerful tool to enable a group of people to create content and edit content simultaneously. Now, I often get asked what's the difference between OneDrive and Teams or Sharepoint. And the easiest way to explain it is OneDrive equals me, Sharepoint equals we. It does what it says on the can. Sharepoint, this is the point at which you share stuff with people. OneDrive, this is for one person or one individual. So we can share stuff from within our OneDrive, which enables people to co-author it. Now, what do we need for co-authoring? Firstly, I need the right permissions to be able to edit the document. Secondly, I need an application that's going to allow co-authoring. So Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, all allow co-authoring. And then the document itself has to be a document which facilitates co-authoring. And you can get hundreds of people editing the document simultaneously. That is not the best practices, but technically you are capable of doing it. So once you've got the permissions and the applications, multiple people can open a document within a Teams meeting and edit the document to achieve a collaborative outcome.